Hi mateys, it's Dazzlinglatte and welcome to my Thanksgiving video, like talking about all the different stuff I cooked on up. Okay, so first we have the Tofurky. I did a Tofurky roast with, it's just like a whole bunch of veggies and stuff. And I put some of the Ocean's Halo veggie broth in there, which I received a free coupon for to review, and yeah, I tasted some of it after I poured it on in there, and it tastes good. It has like organic kelp stock in it, and that's it was good. It filled the room with so many good smells, oh man. Okay, so I definitely recommend this, and I got sent a coupon for this for free by Social Nature, and all opinions are my own. I'm not getting paid to do this, but yeah, I love this. Next we've got the Veggie Tray, which I did up 3 different types of dips. I did up a ranch dressing, and then I did up like an Italian type like dip. It had oh, sorry, it's been a long day, okay, I'm tired. It had mayo, and then some of the I think it's like a Italian seasoning and dressing in it, and I just mixed it together. And then there is a like a spicy soy sauce dip with with mayo, soy sauce, and then hot sauce, mixed together. I do it up for like my egg rolls dipping. Oh, so good. But yeah, and then the Veggie Tray, I've already showed that in a haul that I did, a grocery haul, and I got it on clearance. And yeah, I did up some of these spinach thingies. I used some dairy-free cheese in there, and then we've got some of my cream cheese spread, which is basically just Go Veggie vegan cream cheese, and then we've got some of that Italian seasoning mix in there from Kroger, and then not seasoning, what is it? It's like a dip mix from Kroger, and it's Italian flavor, it's got the in it. And then I cut up some, like, enforce some Dea provolone slices, just for some cheese, crackers and cheese. I've got some, I did not, okay, some Monet vegetable entertainer crackers for the crackers. I'm gonna be the only one eating this stuff, so I didn't do too much, presentation on it. It's just kind of like for me. But anyways, I got some garlic, like some garlic butter for the rolls. I got some they're like brown and serve rolls from Kroger. I got some of those. So I made up some garlic butter. I have some Bluebonnet margarine, and then I've got some minced garlic, and then some Grill Mates roasted garlic and herb seasoning. Oh, I tasted some of it. It was really good. And then we've got some macaroni and cheese, which is just kind of like my basic macaroni and cheese recipe, which is, we got elbow pasta, vegetable oil. I put I cooked the elbow pasta, then I put I don't know, about maybe 1/4 of a cup of vegetable oil, and then about, I'm saying, anywhere from half a cup to a cup of nutritional yeast, and this is a big serving of it. I'm saying I put probably half a box of elbow pasta into this recipe, so it does up a lot of macaroni and cheese. And then I put a little bit of garlic powder. Got some garlic powder, and then some salt, and then also some hot sauce. It kind of gives it nice flavor to it. I'm not sure if I put it in this one though. No, I did not. I usually put hot sauce, but I diced up some jalapeno. So it's jalapeno mac and cheese. And then we've got some pumpkin pie, which I will have all the recipes linked below for like stuff that I got recipes of online. I got the recipe for the pumpkin pie on off of a channel called Veggie Roast. She does a lot of good dishes. Anyways, yeah, I did that, but all I could find was like graham cracker crust, so I got a graham cracker crust, and that was the only thing that I like swapped out. And as you can see later on the video, I took out a slice. You know, I wanted to see how it tasted. Like I said, this is just for me, so you know. But yeah, and then I've got some So Delicious Cocoa Whip to go on top. And then we've got, let's see, we got the green bean casserole, which again, another video by Veggie Roast. Okay, so I took her gravy recipe. I also did make up the gravy recipe, which you'll see it in a little bit later in the video. I don't know if I showed it. Did I show the gravy? Did I show the gravy? Where's the gravy? Oh yeah, I showed the gravy already. Okay. So yeah, so I did up the gravy, and then in a second pan, I did up, you know, the gravy recipe is like a base, and then I added mushrooms and kind of like thickened it up a little bit with a little more flour, and it made up, it's just, it tastes like a cream of mushroom soup. And then I after that put the green beans on in, you know, into a pie plate, and then I mixed in some Hampton Creek Caesar dressing, and it gave it like a really creamy flavor. And anyways, I'm gonna put some Kroger French fried onions on top of that. It's gonna be really good. And then I'm gonna do up a Caesar salad with organic Tail Farms organic power greens and some Hampton Creek Caesar dressing, and then Simple Truth organic seasoned croutons. And then we got, is there anything else that we got? I got silk soy nog. Got silk soy nog, and RW nuts and sparkling cherry juice for the beverages. And then for a snack, for like the snacky, you know, part of the snacky portion of this, I got some Skinny Pop white cheddar popcorn. And I did not show this because it was like the last minute. I was like, oh no, I forgot to do this. I also got some baby gherkins, you know, some pickles, some of those little mini pickles ready to go. They're in the fridge, just all ready for tomorrow, as part of the veggies and everything. So yeah, without further ado, I'm just gonna show a little montage of everything at the end of this video. It's some you know, nice techno music. I just kind of wanted that, you know, something sassy. Oh, okay. So For now I have to go, but until then, smooth sailing to you and your pirate crew.